And now coming to platform as a service. In platform as a service, the AWS cloud provider is managing all of them. Almost 80% they are managing. 80%. All these are managed by AWS cloud provider. If you choose platform as a service, all of them are managed by AWS cloud provider. Okay, only these two we are managing. So what example, HANA Cloud software. Okay, so this HANA Cloud software we have in this HANA Cloud is nothing but a database software which is available in SAP BTP as a service. It is a BTP service. Okay, if you go to Discovery Center, you can search for HANA Cloud. You can see that service. HANA Cloud is a service in SAP BTP. It is one of the service. Okay, so if you want to use this service, just you need to create it. Your HANA Cloud is a database software, right? Just you need to create it. That's it. You don't need to download any database software. Why? Because SAP BTP is introduced as a platform as a service, right? Okay, so they are providing many services. Okay, they are providing database services. They are providing application services. Okay, you no need to download anything. Just create whatever you want. Create whatever the service you want as per your business requirement. Okay, example, you rented a furniture house. Okay, everything is managed by owner. He provided infrastructure and he provided the furniture as well. He provided furniture, entire whatever sofa, TV, kitchen items, everything he provided. But what you need to do, whatever the food items you want, just you need to cook and you need to eat. In the same way, whatever the services you want to create, just you need to know that service and create them. That's it. This is about your platform as a service. And finally, coming to software as a service, everything is managed by cloud provider. Nothing to manage from our end. Everything is managed by cloud provider. Everything A to Z. So tell them what you want. Okay, example, AWS cloud provider. All these are managed by cloud provider only. AWS cloud provider. You don't need to do anything. Just tell them that I need so and so application software. Okay, what they will do? They will build everything and they'll hand it to you. And now you are ready to use that application. And now you are ready to use that software. You are not managing anything. Example, you are staying in a hotel. Okay, so in hotel, everything is provided by the owner, right? Just whatever the food item you want, just you are ordering. Even food also they are serving, right? Okay, just you want whatever you want, you are eating. That's it. Everything is ready. Just you are using the resources. Here also the same. Everything is provided by AWS. Just you are using that application. That's it. So here the technical example is actually it's a SAP S/4HANA Cloud. It's not just a cloud. It's SAP S/4HANA Cloud. The software is SAP S/4HANA Cloud. So if you tell them to install SAP S/4HANA Cloud, so they will build that system and they will hand over to you. Now just you are ready to use that system. You are ready to use that application. You are ready to access that application. You no need to do anything. In the same way, we have given an example, right? You are staying in a hotel. You have nothing to do. Just whatever you want, just go and eat. Everything is provided by the hotel owner. So here my point is PaaS. So SAP BTP is providing bundles of many different services. Okay, out of all these services, out of 82 services, there are some database services, there are some application services as well. Okay, so whatever you want, just you create. That's it. You no need to download at all. You don't need to download. Just create whatever the service you want. Just select that service and create it. Everything is managed by vendor. Everything in the backend, everything is managed by vendor. So this is what called PaaS cloud computing service. SAP introduced as a PaaS cloud computing service. I hope you understand this point. Any questions?
So fine.
Yeah. Now, what is iPaaS? Very important. This is an interview question. What is iPaaS? This is interview question. So let me convey that. What is iPaaS? So we have a SAP BTP introduced as a PaaS cloud computing service. In SAP BTP, we have bundles of many different services. Out of all these services, one of the services is integration suite. Okay, so this is also called as iPaaS. The another name of integration suite is iPaaS. Why it is called as iPaaS? Your SAP BTP is introduced as a PaaS cloud computing service. So whatever the services we have in that SAP BTP, okay, out of all the services we have integration suite. So we can call it as integration platform as a service. Integration platform as a service. I hope you understand this. Got it, guys?
Okay.
Understood? Now you can answer what is iPaaS, right?
Yeah.
Your BTP introduced as a PaaS cloud computing service, and whatever the services we have in that BTP, we have SAP integration suite as well. So your integration suite is also called as iPaaS, integration platform as a service. So this is about your iPaaS. And tomorrow we'll discuss about architecture, and also we'll discuss how to access integration suite, and how to, tomorrow I will show you one of the practical point, how to integrate two applications and how to exchange the data between two applications. Tomorrow I will show you practical. Okay, so I'm done for the day. So let me have any questions.
Okay, good.
Okay, done. So this is my session today. So thanks for attending my session. So we'll catch up you tomorrow at same time with new concepts. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you.
Subscribe for more content.